Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. I love decorating for Christmas, like literally the day after Halloween. I'm actually doing it a little bit later this year, so I feel like super behind. We're going to be decorating for Christmas, getting in the holiday spirit. I'm actually filming a whole other vlog kind of like at the same time of like getting into the Christmas spirit, going Christmas shopping, making my Christmas list, kind of like doing a whole bunch of Christmassy things and throwing it all into a vlog. That will be up after this, probably in the next couple days. I do like to do a whole vlog of just decorating and doing like a little apartment tour at the end and showing what it looks like. That is what this video is. Before getting into the decorating, I just wanted to run a couple errands, just kind of picking up some new fresh things. I've been seeing some people on TikTok do like a bunch of like cute like little bows, and I thought that would be kind of fun to like mix in to my decoration. The first errand was getting some Starbucks. Got a iced sugar cookie latte. I get it with 2% milk and then 1 less pump of the syrup. This is literally the best drink ever, I think. Like, it is so good. I'm obsessed with this drink. Like, it's literally, it just tastes like Christmas. I don't know how they make it so good. That's the first step to just kind of get in the Christmas mood. Now I'm actually gonna go to Target. I've done a lot of Target shopping the last couple days. I actually just placed a little mobile order pickup. They were literally sold out of like all the Christmas decorations every single time I went. Everybody's decorating for Christmas. So I just went on Target's website and it said all that stuff was available at my local Target. I just placed like a store pickup order. I just ordered a bunch of cute like little decorative trees and stuff. We're just gonna see how it looks when I actually start decorating. I also want to go to Hobby Lobby and get like some ribbons. This is kind of like the vibe that I want to go for. I think the bows will kind of give it a different look. I'm hoping to find some little bows like this, like some little ribbons. I also did bring up my Christmas tree this weekend, so it's all like set up and ready to be decorated. I still need to bring up my actual decorations. I have like 2 or 3 tubs of them. Let's just go and get the Christmas decorations. I just finished up all of my errands and shopping. I'm ready to decorate. I kind of went crazy in Hobby Lobby with the ribbon. I wasn't sure what exact color scheme I wanted to go for. Got this like green velvet, burgundy kind of velvet, this like caramel color velvet, another kind of like caramel brown color satin, and then like cream satin. I just got like a whole bunch because I really just don't know what I'm gonna end up wanting. I also picked up my order from Target. Went a little crazy at Target. I'll just kind of lay it all out and show you guys once I get home. Let's just head home, bring up all the Christmas decorations and unbox it. I'm so excited to get started with the decorating. I just brought up all my Christmas decorations. This is a lot more than I remembered. Some of this is like buckets for fall stuff. I'm just gonna kind of like separate the boxes into decorations, pillows, containers for the fall stuff, and just kind of unbox them and get everything out. The first step is taking all the fall stuff down, and then I can kind of have a clean slate to put all the Christmas stuff out. I don't think I showed you guys yet what I got from Target. I really didn't like need any of it. I can't remember like what all I had from last year, so I just picked up a few new things to kind of like mix in. Here's everything that I picked up from Target. I got this garland. I thought this would look cute. I don't really have any garland. Just kind of wanted to try this out. I thought it'd be cute to kind of like mix in with these little like beads. I also got all these Christmas trees. I really love this one. I think it's so cute, and I love this like chocolate brown one. I kind of want to mix in some chocolate brown tones, so I thought this would be really pretty. I love those like clay ones. I think they're also like very like minimal. I also got these gold deer statues. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like the gold, but just to kind of break up all the trees. This is my favorite tub of Christmas decorations. It's all of these trees. Hopefully none of them got smushed. I just love these. I'm so obsessed with them. This one might just be my favorite. I just unboxed everything. I will admit I have a problem. I have all the like plant related things here, and then all of these type trees here, like ceramic and wooden type trees here. Here I have all my pillows and blankets. It's definitely not perfect, but I think it turned out pretty cute. This isn't really part of the original aesthetic I was going for, like very neutral. I think this is really cute. I saw this at Trader Joe's the other day. I feel like it's kind of cute. Let me know what you guys think. Everything is coming together. It's looking very Christmassy. The last thing is decorating my Christmas tree, just putting all the ornaments on it. I'm excited to see how it looks since I got like the little ribbons this year. It is a little bit later. I'm done decorating the tree. It doesn't look quite like my inspo pictures. I don't have like a set color scheme and like aesthetic. I do think it turned out really cute. I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little tour and like overview of how everything turned out. That is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below some of your favorite places to shop for holiday home decor. I feel like I always just go to Target, but I would love to know where some of your favorites are. I'll link below anything new that I got this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video. We'll see you in a couple days for our next one. Bye.